Top 7 Best Mechanical Keyboards 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Glorious GM-MK Pro. The sturdy Glorious GM-MK Pro has been a favorite among gamers and keyboard modification hobbyists since it first launched due to its customization options available at purchase. Like our top pick, the Kaycran Key 6, you can buy this keyboard fully assembled or as a bare-bones kit. A configurator tool on the Glorious website lets you choose between different plate materials, stock switches, and a range of PVT keycaps, coiled aviator cables, and top plates, all in a range of colors to suit your setup. And the customization doesn't need to end once it's on your desk. This keyboard is designed to be taken apart, tweaked, and modified at any level. You can lug your switches and stabilizers or easily mod the sound dampening materials inside the case if you're hunting for a certain sound profile. Number 6. SteelSeries Apex Pro. If you're a mechanical keyboard lover looking for the best pick for gaming, look no further than the SteelSeries Apex Pro. This keyboard uses omni-point switches which rely on magnets to register key presses rather than a fixed physical mechanism. This technology allows you to precisely adjust the actuation point, or sensitivity, of every single key. In practice, if you want super sensitive A and D keys for movements while gaming, you can set the actuation point for 1.5 mm into the key press. Or, if you prefer a deeper actuation point for typing, you can change that too. While the actuation point is one of the, no pun intended, key features of this keyboard, there's a whole host of other features, like incredibly low latency, USB pass-through to plug in a headset or mouse dongle, a nice wrist rest, volume knob, and even an OLED screen in the top right corner to display GIFs, system or keyboard settings, or even a picture of your mother if that's what you want. Number 5. Royal KLUDG ARK61. For an even cheaper option, we recommend the Royal KLUDG ARK61. This lightweight keyboard has a tiny footprint, making it a great companion for smaller workspaces or use on the go. It's a wireless unit that supports multi-device pairing with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about any cables except when it needs a recharge. However, its 10-hour battery life provides enough power to get you through the workday. Impressively, for a keyboard at this price point, it has a hot swappable PCIe, which means you can pull out the stock switches and replace them with switches you prefer to control how your keyboard feels and sounds. You can also buy a few different variants of this keyboard with various wireless connectivity options and backlighting colors. These options can help you save money if you don't need RGB lighting or a USB receiver. Number 4. Kaycran K10. The Kaycran K10 is a full-size mechanical keyboard with Bluetooth support. Unlike most mechanical keyboards, it has a focus on productivity instead of gaming. It has multi-device pairing with up to 3 devices at once, so you can easily connect it to your PC, tablet, and phone. It features a switch for macOS and Windows compatibility, so all keys work on both operating systems as long as you're in the correct mode. It even comes with extra keycaps for each OS. It's available with clicky, linear, and tactile Gateron switches, and there's a hot swappable variant. It has full RGB backlighting, and since it doesn't come with dedicated first-party software, you can't customize the RGB backlighting or reprogram any of the keys, but Kaycran recommends third-party software. Number 3. Newfie Air 75. The Newfie Air 75 is an incredible keyboard at a solidly mid-range price point. This compact mechanical unit features excellent build quality and a slim, surprisingly ergonomic and comfortable design, even without a wrist rest. Its low-profile keycaps are also very thin but feel very stable and pleasant to type on, and their low profile ensures you don't have to strain your hands upwards to reach them. This compact keyboard makes a great choice if you're looking for an on-the-go unit, or if you find yourself moving workstations throughout the day. With its excellent wireless connectivity options, you don't have to worry about bringing a cable around. You can pair the keyboard with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth or use it with its included USB receiver. Its battery capacity isn't one of its strong suits, so you can expect to charge it somewhere between every couple of days to once a week, depending on your usage. Number 2. Razer Pro Type Ultra. For a less expensive option at an upper mid-range price point, we recommend the Razer Pro Type Ultra. While this keyboard is typically closer in price to our top pick, it has recently gone on sale to its lowest price on record and may be much closer in price to our mid-range pick when you're reading this. Its straightforward but refined design blends well into an office or home environment. While it doesn't offer the same degree of customizability or high-end, cushion gasket mount design of our top pick, the Kaycron Key 6, it provides a couple of features the Kaycron doesn't. For starters, this is a wireless model, and you can pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, which is great news if you rely on a multi-device setup at work or in your home office. It also features 2 incline angles and a plush wrist rest that can make a big difference to your comfort throughout the day and how you feel when you clock out. Number 1. Kaycron Key 6. The best mechanical keyboard that we've tested is the Kaycron Key 6. This keyboard delivers high-quality construction and top-of-the-line typing quality right out of the box. It has a gasket-mounted design that's more common on expensive custom keyboards, which means the interior components are all held between shock-absorbing rubber pieces. This design helps provide a softer, slightly cushioned typing experience without the abrupt sensation of bottoming out your key presses. We've specifically named the Kaycron Key 6 here as the best full-size mechanical keyboard we've tested. But this keyboard is part of a wider key series lineup with various sizes and layouts available. Each entry in the series is very similar in terms of build quality and features, so it boils down to the most comfortable and appealing size. If you're a programmer or typist, check out the more compact Kaycron Q3. So guys, that's all for Top 7 Best Mechanical Keyboards 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.